Hey Poggers, well since now you know my favorite animal, I got to ask you, what is my favorite kind of dog? Comment down below, but listen, you can't say two kinds, only one kind, to make it harder. Also, I love all dogs, trust me, I don't care mostly, but I also love lots of kinds of dog, like German and more. Subscribe please, like the video if you love dogs. If I can get $1 billion but I gotta kill a dog, I would not kill, even if it's not me who will kill. Dogs are so amazing. Like the video if you love dogs. I wanna see how much dog lovers are in my channel.